What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and also welcome to the studio slash YouTube space slash spare room makeover. The idea behind this video is that I would like to show you how you can turn even small space into a space where you can feel and work on your creative projects. If you are considering starting your own YouTube channel but you think your space is too small, stay with me and let's see what we can do over here. So as you just saw in this little B-roll, this room is not looking really great right now. To be honest, most of the time it's complete mess. It's because I'm not using this room all alone. I'm sharing it with my wife, and by the way, she also started her own YouTube channel recently. So that means we both need some space to work. And this is the only spare room in our apartment. One big motivation behind this makeover was that we also want to feel really nice and creative in this space to be able to work on our projects. I've shot all of my videos here, and you may notice some of the elements from my videos in this room. Like for example, these sound panels. I put them on the wall just because I wanted to have a nice and professional looking background. It worked for most of my videos, but if you take a closer look to them, there are only 4 of these panels, and if you are in this room, actually it looks kind of bad. Another great example of my engineering skills is this photo backdrop here. When I started with making YouTube videos, I didn't want to have a white wall behind me. So the first thing that came to my mind was that I will hang a darker backdrop on this wall. However, as you can see, there are no backdrop stands or backdrop holders in this room. What I've basically did was that I've taped the background on the wall. As you can see, there is the green, ugly green tape over there. So the plan for this room is that we are going to paint these 2 walls behind me matte black. That wall over there will serve as a permanent photo and video backdrop. We will be able to shoot there some portraits, product photography, and also some YouTube videos. Over there will be my permanent YouTube setup where I will be making my regular YouTube videos. First of all, we need to tear down the old backdrop and also clean the wall of that ugly green tape. Okay, so 50% done. First wall painted, we are currently working on the second wall. However, I'm starting to be a little bit worried. I don't know if we have enough paint for 2 coatings for these 2 walls. Let's find out. Okay, so the first coating is up and I think it's coming along really good. We have waited 2 hours, the walls are dry now, and we are going to continue with adding the second coating. Hey guys, welcome to the present day. So the last thing that I recorded during the makeover back in May was that we were going to add the second layer of the matte black finish on these two walls. We did that, and after putting that second layer, this wall, which is right behind me, looked really great. It was really smooth, it was looking really great on camera, and it was basically done. However, the second wall was looking like a piece of garbage. After adding that second layer of matte black finish on that wall, I've started to see a strange texture on the wall, and it really didn't look good on camera too. I was really not sure at that time if we can finish the makeover, so I've basically stopped recording. I've contacted the Benjamin Moore company and I've sent them a bunch of photos of that wall, and they were really kind and really helpful. They have recommended me to repaint that one particular wall with their primer color, which is called, I believe, Fresh Start. So I've ordered 2 cans of this primer color and I repainted the wall to give it the base layer. But this time with the help of my father. From that point it was really easy. I've just added 2 layers of that matte black finish on the wall and it was basically done. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you our old new office. So this is how the office really looks right now. It's not fully done yet because I would like to add some more things to this place, like for example a pegboard where I would like to have a charging station for all kinds of batteries. I would also like to hang some shelves on the wall because I need a place to permanently store my gear, like for example lenses and so on. As you can see, we haven't really done anything too heavy with this place. We have just painted these 2 walls matte black, and we have also added some really cool accessories, like for example practical lights. You can see one over there behind me and one is up on the ceiling. The interesting part about these practical lights is that these are the Philips Hue bulbs, which means you can adjust the brightness with your phone. However, maybe the biggest and probably the most important thing to me as a filmmaker and photographer in this office is this new Asus ultra-wide ProArt display. But more on that in my next video. Alright guys, so that's it for today, and I'm really glad that you've stayed with me up to this point of this video. And I also hope that you feel inspired to make yourself a place where you can feel creative, where you can work on your creative projects and maybe all kinds of other things. So thanks for watching, hit that subscribe button and also that little bell that is next to the subscribe button, and also give this video a like, it will help me a lot, and I will see you guys in the next video where I will be talking about this great monitor. So until next time.